What's happening, Eric?
If I make this shot, since I already beat Max, I get to play his sister, and if I win, I become champion.
And my sister, we haven't even asked her yet, but she'll probably say no. We'll only ask her if he can make one of these 7 shots. You only beat me by 2 points, though.
I still beat you.
Yeah, okay.
Wait.
All right, you ready? Let me get a wide shot. All right, whenever you're ready. Oh.
Short every time. It's got to go in. Nah. Damn it, Billy, sex crime. Bruh. A little bit more.
The music stopped. Last try. Well, you tried.
Try. What if I make this one in?
If that goes over the fence, you're gonna climb over and get it. Ugh.
Alright, if I make this one in.